Welcome to Go for Green Living. My name is Daniel.
And I'm Ruts.
And I'm here with Nathan.
Yeah, so we're at Pinhoti Fest 2022. It's our first one ever.
Yeah.
It's been a great weekend. Beautiful weather, first of all, and then some great vendors like yourself that came out and helped support the festival. We had just a fantastic time. We're wrapping up tonight with our keynote, and then we'll be having some live music, and then a free breakfast in the morning before we send everybody either home or out on trail.
And we're talking about the Pinhoti Trail. If you start the Pinhoti Trail, you got to start with him.
Yeah, thank you. So my name's Nathan Wright. We're on the Pinhoti Outdoor Center, me and my wife Kim. We are at mile 23 northbound on the Pinhoti. We have a hostel, full service hostel. We got parking area, long distance, or long-term parking. We have shuttle services, logistical, planning. We'll do anything to help you get you out on the trail, get you started, and tell you, all kind of questions we can help answer. So we're there for you.
Yes, there you go. So your outdoor center, they can get everything they need right there.
Everything you need, from logistical, planning, shuttle, hostel. We have a full laundry, shower, kitchen, fire ring out back, plenty of tenting area as well. Yes. We have a little shop. We have some gear, some replacement, food item stuff. We have some swag, I like to call it, the shirts, the hats, patches, stickers, stuff like that.
Yes.
So we're in and out a lot. If you want to, track us down on Facebook or Instagram and give us a shout, and we'll meet you out there and make sure we're there, and we'll help you out.
Yeah, I'll put the links in the description below so you can just easily click on and get right to him. Yeah. And one other question. So we're going to do this again next year?
Yes, that's the plan. We're going to start planning next week to get this thing kicked off again. It was just a great event. We're so excited. So we're looking forward to bringing it back again next year.
Yeah, Nathan, I appreciate it so much. I appreciate your time. I know you're a busy man. You're dealing with Dixie. Yes, Dixie's here.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Well, you got big celebrities here. So thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we today are wanting to promote our dear friends that have been next to us all day. So tell us, who are you?
My trail name is Sketch. My name is Heidi, and I run this art business, which is Sketching Summits, and this is my lovely husband and assistant.
And you just got married.
Just got married.
Oh, it's so cool. So you have been doing a lot of sketching from different kind of trails.
Yeah, so I hiked the Appalachian Trail in 2018, so a lot of this artwork is inspired from my experiences on the through hike and other return hikes on the AT. We live in North Carolina, so a lot of them are western North Carolina, the Mountains to Sea Trail there, and then I did hike the Pinhoti Trail in March of this year, so that is why I came back to this event, and I do have some Pinhoti specific artwork as well.
Yeah, and she's really good. So I actually bought a lot of her stuff, and you will find it at our Hikers Hostel because we just basically love it. So show us a couple of your pieces.
Sure, yeah. So this has been a really popular one. This weekend for the Pinhoti. It's the symbol, obviously, and then with a lot of the different mushrooms that grow regionally in this area.
I got that one.
Yeah. I had it on a canvas tote bag as well, and those did sell out, so I don't have an example of that, but I do hope to order some more. And then what I do with a lot of designs is then convert them into stickers so that they're a little bit more manageable for hikers to buy and have on their water bottles.
Yeah, and they're so awesome. I mean, look at this. She's so good. Have you seen that? That's awesome.
And so Kim from the Pinhoti Outdoor Center suggested I do a blue blaze painting, but I do think what's really cool about it is that it also could be a reference to any of the side trails on the Appalachian Trail, and there's some other trails such as the Superior Hiking Trail in Minnesota that are also blazed in blue. So,
well, I love you for your artwork, and you have a very, very good helper. Assistants, yeah.
And we got one more a little helper in the back there. Yeah, she's been guarding her bones for majority of this festival.
And also, they guarded our grill last night, so bless them for that. Yeah. So, well, I hope to see you around, and we just want to say blessings and thank you for being our neighbors on this fest. So, what do you think about the first year with the Pinhoti Fest?
Oh, we had a blast. We made the trip down from Charlotte. I will absolutely be back again next year. I was very impressed with the trail community.
Yeah, great job by the Pinhoti Outdoor Center putting that together. Having a lot of fun.
So, next year, would you come back?
Absolutely.
Definitely.
Yep. We're already talking about it. We're going to talk to Kim about maybe doing a painting class.
So how can people find you online?
My website is sketchingsummits.com. I'm on Instagram as Sketching Summits. I am on Facebook and on YouTube as well as Sketching Summits.
Yes.
Thanks so much. Yeah, appreciate it.
Talk to you later then. Bye bye.
Took a train down to the Connecticut Forest, and we're like, bro, look, none of us live there.
I have a special guest.
It's Gone Ferel with Squidly.
Gone Ferel with Squidly. Yes, but I've been watching his videos lately, just like as the crow flies, and learning about I learned about coffee. So tell me.
Well, all of these things are personal preference. It's whatever you like or whatever you don't like. But I did a video looking at coffees for hiking trails. So it has to be something that's simple, something that's easy, and something that's really convenient. And so I did a taste test and kind of rank ordered them 100% on what my preference is. It has nothing to do with anything else. It's just whatever I think tasted best. But
yes, and so when you're hiking, let me talk about food since we're talking about
okay,
food.
sure.
You want to carry as lightweight as possible, and then and little packets that you were actually sampling were just little pre-made packets just for making a single cup of coffee.
That's right, and they're small, they're lightweight, and they're powder, so that it just makes it light and convenient. Because if I can get the weight of food and everything else to be less, it makes carrying that weight a lot more convenient on trail. So I would like to get it down to 0 if I could get there. That's not going to happen.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. We started out. I started out with 42 pounds on my pack in AT, and I was carrying 2 weeks worth of food. So.
Oh yeah.
That wasn't good. That wasn't good. But we y'all saw us at Nimrod's place. We weaned down completely.
Yeah.
So, and on your channel. So tell me a little bit about your channel. What do you're hiking? I see you hiking all the time.
Yeah. Well, the whole idea with the channel is about helping people find places, skills, and the gear to be able to get outside and enjoy your trips and get equipment and gear that's as lightweight, inexpensive, and durable as possible. Also, I deal with some things with food, and I have some dietary concerns. I'm diabetic, so I deal with some of those on the channel as well, because I just have some things I've got to deal with there.
Root has some beautyberry extract over there, so you need to go try that.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to try some of this stuff out.
It's going to balance his sugar for him. So, and it's a plant that grows out here. Y'all know it, beautyberry. So anyway, y'all go to his channel. You learn about hiking and pack and carrying stuff and food that you need to carry, because these hikers, they have all the right information you're going to need. So, but anyway, I've enjoyed watching his videos, and I'm sure you will too. So go hit the subscribe button and see what happens.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right, guys, I love you. I'll catch you on the next one. Hey everybody, I got my buddy with As the Crow Flies hiking. What's up? Yes, I've been watching him for a little while before I went on the AT and after I went on the AT, and learning a lot from this gentleman. I will put his link in the description where y'all can go check him out and hit the sub button on him, because we all need the support. But anyway, like I said, I've been learning a lot about hiking and different things, aspects of hiking you never would think of by watching his channel, and I really think y'all should go check it out.
You're very kind. I appreciate that. Thanks for watching the videos.
Anyway, so tell me a little bit about why you became a hiker and what drives you to do it and stuff. So.
Yeah, when I was a kid, I did Boy Scouts and stuff, and then I kind of got away from the outdoors. I don't know why. And as I got stressed out at work, as I became an adult, got stressed out at work, realized that my mental health was suffering. I think it was that connection with nature that I was losing. And a guy asked me to go out and do a section hike of the AT with him.
Oh, yeah.
And I immediately lost some of that stress that I have from work. After about the second day, my mind cleared, and I started getting back into it. So for about 22 years now, I've been, getting gear and lowering my base weight and doing all those things that long distance hikers did. But I essentially found that why I do it is because I want that stress off me from the mental health of work and all the stress of life, and somehow that connection back with nature has done that.
Yeah, well, when we were just on the AT, I have chronic back pain from building houses all the time. My back pain went away while I was on the AT, the uneven ground and everything. So I went looking forward to starting the Pinhoti. And actually, I've asked him today if he wanted to section hike part of it with me and Ruth. That'll be fun, won't it?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, deal with me and Ruth. That's going to be funny. We are such fraggles. You just got to watch. We'll go that way. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just. Yes, we were pretty lucky, and we did pretty good on the AT, I think, Jack. So we learned really quickly about what to do. So, tell me a little bit about the Pinhoti, you know, if you don't mind.
Yeah, the Pinhoti is such a unique trail because it connects two states, and you have different topography in Alabama than you do in Georgia. A lot of road walking in Georgia, but it goes over Chiaha in Alabama, and I love Chiaha. It's just such a unique place. I've known it since I was a kid, and going over the views there. I mean, so, you know, it's not the elevation you get up northeast. Yeah. But it does feel that you feel the foothills of the Appalachians, especially starting to flag, being the first 1,000 foot in the Appalachian chain. And then you get to Chiaha and you start seeing those views, and it feels like a warm up to the AT and the Benton McKay trail. Love it, absolutely love the trail.
Well, we haven't done it yet, but me and Ruth are really looking forward to it.
And y'all are going to start tomorrow?
No, we're going to start tomorrow, but we're going to start after we get the hot sauce.
After you get the hot sauce, and that starts in October?
Yes, okay. October 1st. Yeah, we'll start that. All right, what's your channel one more time?
So it's As the Crow Flies Hiking on
As
YouTube.
The Crow Flies. The link's down below.
Thank you so much.
Click on the link below and you can get to his channel. I would advise you going and checking out because there's information we're going to need in the future times we're coming up on, and you know, so don't go absorb it up. All right, guys.
Appreciate you
so much.
Thanks so much.
His trail name is Crow.
Crow, yeah.
Crow. I haven't got a trail name yet. It used to be Popeye, but I'm rejecting that. 40 years ago, I'm not Popeye anymore.
Time for a new beginning. Huh?
Yes, a new beginning.
Test, there we go. Y'all give them a warm welcome.
Hey, Red. Hi, Sue. Hi, Conan. What you doing? Hey, Red Sonia. Teddy bear eating the water dish. You Red. Hey, Teddy bear. Hey, buddy. You eating? Hi, Darth. Oh, here's Conan. Here's Conan. Hey, Conan. All right, guys. We love you. We're going to catch you on the next video. There you guys.